This good evening to everybody. Welcome to the TSAP LASET 2021. That I already made it clear that today that we will discuss about the 75th Independence Day. But let me get the clarity from you that whether you could see my screen as well as you could hear my voice. Please read what I posted on the screen. Yes, anyone? Unmute and
Yes, sir.
read.
75th Independence Day on 15th August 2021 also makes for the perfect occasion to fill our hearts with patriotism and feel proud of the brave efforts of our freedom fighters. We bring you a collection of quotes and messages to share your joy of freedom with your friends and family. This year, the theme of independence is Nation First, Always First, to honor the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters and the glorious path laid down for generations by them.
Yes, thank you very much. That today I could see that AJ Law Prospectus and Dr. C.S. Nagbushnam Chidda, Professor, Daredava University, Ethiopia, and Northeast Africa. Then I could see the Shiva, Syed Jamalur Rahman. Welcome to the today Independence Day. That is the 75th Independence Day. Yes, it is our generally the tradition and the culture in India is that whenever a program would be started over there, it will start with the yes. Anybody? It start with the. Did I ask you? You are giving the reply. Mhm. Yes, it is start with the national anthem. Then and we will start it and we will sing the national anthem. Yes, yes, we'll stand it. We will stand. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड कलवंगा विंजैमाचल यमुना गंगा उत्कल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे जाए राधा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद. Yeah, with this that I will stop this one. Yes, yeah. Yeah, let us come to the again our point where we have got to share. Yes, we are sharing that share content. Yeah, because it's a new, that's why that how to, yes. And this is the 75th Independence Day, as I like made very much clear to you, and that everybody knows about me also. But still, those who are the newcomers, and for them, it is the information to them. I am the Professor Dr. Muhammad Saib Hussain, Professor of Law, Kampala International University, Kampala, Uganda, East Africa. I would like to speak few words on the occasion of the 75th Independence Day. And I'm salute to the legal fraternity and good evening to the legal fraternity, including the all people in India and Indians who stayed or serving in the foreign country with the banner of Indians. And we Indians are proud of the nation. Let there is a diversity would be there in our culture, practice, faith, etc. Still there is a unity. Hence, we may proud to say India is a country which is a replica of unity in diversity. Yes, now I will give the more time to our participant to express their views because with that reason that I want to conduct it and the last but not least that I will deal it. Yes, anyone that who would like to speak on this occasion, please you can say that I would like to speak so that your photo will be seen over here. Yes, please. Anyone first, especially from the participant side in the beginning. So later on that I will give to the other people. That the professor I will give to the later. But if no one is coming forward, then you can start speaking. Yes, Sana Fatima, you could switch on your video and audio. Then you can speak today regarding this 75th Independence Day. Whatever that you know about it, you please say. Even a few words also doesn't matter. It is not only referred to the son of Fatima, it refers to the Shiva and Sayyidul Jamarul Rahman also, and AJ La perspective people, those who joined over there. and anyone who can unmute your microphone and you can unmute your video. And first, Nagvishna Garu, would you like to say? Please, because
sir?
you unmuted your microphone. That's why I'm asking
Remove
you.
this one. Okay.
You unmuted your microphone. Do you like to speak now first?
Sir?
Because you unmuted your microphone, I could see it. That's the reason that I'm asking you. So let me give the first chance to the participant, then I will give the chance to you. Or do you want to say first the few words? Decide yourself.
Somebody may speak something, sir.
Okay,
Told me.
okay. That's why I would like to ask
Told
from
me
you.
that
Yeah.
students.
Yes, from the Jasran Pulipaka is also present over there. Shiva also present. Anybody can unmute and you can say your name, introduce yourself. Then you say the few things what you could know about regarding the 75th Independence Day. Please. Dr.
Okay, sir.
Jasran
Can I
Pulipaka, welcome. Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So this is Dr. Jasron Purapaka. I would like to greet everybody on the eve of Indian
you can on your
75th Independence.
video also.
Okay.
Please.
This is not allowing, sir.
Okay, no matter. Okay, you can speak. No matter.
It's asking again to go to settings again.
Okay.
Anyway, I'll go to settings. Hotspot. Okay. Then it will run me
Because
mobile.
if you start your video, that I could show you on the screen so that everybody could see your photograph.
It's microphone.
Okay, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You can continue your audio. You can continue with your audio. Doesn't matter. Jasron, you joined twice. You disconnect one because you use the two instruments, I believe.
Okay, now it's fine. Can you able to
you
see
can
me, sir?
speak because you are having the two. Yes. Because I could see the two names over here, Dr. Jasron Pulipaka, Dr. Jasron Pulipaka.
Oh, I can remove
You can
afterwards.
remove one so that you can use either any one of it.
Yeah. Now, can you able to see me?
Yeah, now, yeah, you can speak now.
Okay. Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
So on this auspicious day, I would like to greet everybody on this occasion. The happy 75th Independence Day. So it's a great time for all of us to remember the people those who worked hard. The forefathers did a great job and they fought a great fight. And now we are enjoying the freedom, the fruits of their hard work. I like to mention that, and then we should remember the great people like Mahatma Gandhi and others, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar for their contribution, sacrifice, and not only in a very simpler way, but they did a human service, I can say. And we all know because most of the participants, I know that they are all from the legal background. Maybe either they are going to write their law set exams, or I don't know, some of the participants are also legal fraternity. Anyway, we know all the four pillars of democracy, and we know the preamble. And I would like to tell students about the Bloom's taxonomy at this point of time, and that's where they can able to learn with a very proficient way and very professional manner. And there are 6 steps I'd like to, if you can permit me, I'll try to explain them about the 6 steps about Bloom's taxonomy. Is it okay, sir? Professor Ji, is it okay?
Yeah, you can continue it.
Yes. And according to Bloom's taxonomy, and the highest, stage for people to understand what they are doing and how they can able to continue their studies. And there are 6 steps I'd like to tell each one of them. And number 1, and create. We need to be very creative in designing and then assembling things, and and develop whatever the talents we have, especially students community. I'm telling. And then number 2 is evaluating. We need to evaluate, justify a stand or a decision, how that can come to existence, what are the things they are supposed to go through. And then third step is analyze, and then what's the connection it has, and what are the areas, ideas, etc., and how they can able to come to that conclusion. That's analyzing. And then application point of view is executing, implement, or solving issues, solve the problems or solving issues, etc. And fifth step is understand. And in this step, students should definitely learn about how that be explained, and how the ideas, and that makes them to understand, and what are the concepts they're able to study or go through. And that's fifth step. And the last but not least is sixth step is remember. So they need to recall the facts, and discuss the concepts, and defining each term, how they can able to study, and what the term it specifies or it defines. They need to go through all those things. And then of course memorize. So they need to memorize all those 6 steps in their life, so that they can able to go through next level in their life. That's number 1 I want to tell them. And number 2, the world's famous trainer in this line, like how to make them to be educated, what are the things that's supposed to go through in their life, and how that will be helpful for them in regard to their experience. The greater people, definitely they left certain ideas with us, and because the experience teaches the best way. So the experience is the best teacher in our life. That's the reason the people, those are already experienced in their line, and we should study. So number 1, I want to tell about Zig Ziglar. Top one, he is a trainer, and when he go and visit countries, he'll be paid in lakhs in rupees per hour. He's a very big man, and he said certain important steps that will be very helpful to students, I believe. And number 1, and you must either modify your dreams or magnify your skills. I repeat again. He said, you must either modify your dreams or magnify your skills. As you know, the time, talent, treasure is 3 important components in everybody's life. We need to utilize our time in a proper way. And then, of course, we have talents. Everybody is having some or other talent in their life. Sometimes you never know, but you'll be having, definitely. So you need to identify your talents. And then number 3, your treasure. Of course, money is important for us, but that should not drive us, but we should drive money. We should not make money, or sorry, we should make money, but money should not make us. We should understand. And in economics, everybody knows money is a good servant but bad master. So these 3 areas where students, community, definitely they should understand how important it is. Number 2, Zig Ziglar again, the other statement he made, and life begins at the end of your comfort zone. I repeat, life begins at the end of your comfort zone. You will not be flourished, or you will not be developed with all comfort zones. Definitely you should come out of your comfort zone. So with all comforts, with all with all good things, or with silver spoon, definitely we cannot be developed. That means we should we should strive hard, we should work hard. That's number 2 important statement he made. And then again, I like to tell about the wisdom. 5 Ds, very important in everybody's life. First D, discipline, and we should know the time value and the punctuality in our lives, and then precise in talking. 3 Ps. Before that, I'd like to tell you 3 important Ps in our life. We need to be very punctual in our timings. Suppose our Sahibushan sir said, come 5 o'clock to a conference. By all means, we should be there before 5. I traveled a lot and I see people, they start meeting by 5 o'clock. 4:45, I think people will be starting coming to the venue. But that's the reason. Definitely, that makes a greater change in their life. Punctuality and timings, and then precise in talking. So time is given for us, and definitely we should utilize it in one or other way. That will make people to know, understand. That will change the people's life. If you talk something that has its own value, certain words definitely will make you to be something. One or other day that will be helpful to you. And then we need to be very precise. And third point, we need to be prompt in our duties. Whatever the task you are entrusted with, whatever the task you are given,
Excuse
definitely.
me, Jasron, excuse me, time limit,
Yeah.
because other people also there.
I'll close with 1 minute. Okay.
Yes, please, please.
And then coming back to wisdom, and first D is discipline, your attitude, your approach, your attitude. Number 2, devotion, your work. Number 3, develop your talents. Number 4, demonstrate the love towards people. India is a greater country, a very big country, full of many languages, culture, and creed, and so many issues. We need to understand. We need to study our culture. These are the steps, and with this, I close, and I want to thank Professor Ji for having given me this wonderful time to say a few words. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody, for your patience.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much, Jasron, that you are made the 6 points very much clear to us. Because of the time factor, it is only the 50 minutes program, and hence I would like to
Okay.
give the opportunity to the other people. And Dr.
Thank you.
Jasron and we worked together in the Akhila Bharati College of Law, and he was a lecturer there in the University College of Law also. Yes, the next, and especially that I would like to see that a student should have to express 1 or 2 lines. Later on that I will give the chance to the Nagbhushan Chidda. Yes, sir. Students from the participants, please unmute and say your name and express, at least you say, good evening, sir, then you close it. If you could not say anything. Okay. Students,
Good evening, sir.
say your name.
Durga Prasad.
Yes, can you express anything?
No, sir.
Yes, please say. Only few words, not much time. You just say, then you unmuted it. Yes, Syed Jamalur Rahman. Just unmute and say a few words. If you could not say hello, then you can unmute it. You can mute it. Okay, now let us
Hello,
come
sir.
to
Good
the...
evening.
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Do you want to say something?
What will say, sir? All things is no.
Speak.
No,
Only
sir.
few words.
What I will say, sir?
It's not that
Don't.
much. It
No
is
words
not
are coming.
clear. Okay, you mute it. You mute it. It's not clear. That yes, Nagbhushan Chidda, sir. You can unmute and you can please express your views regarding the 75th Independence Day. Please. Yes, Nagbhushan Chidda, the professor. I could not see your microphone. Yes, I could not see your microphone. Yes, anybody? If no one is there, I am ready here.
Hello.
Okay, yeah, you speak. Speak.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Is it audible?
See,
Hello.
I asked you. Okay, wait for a moment. My wife would want to speak something. Yeah, she wants to go away. Yeah, please. Speak.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am very much happy to be with the law community. So, respected Chairman, Sir, Mohammad Sahib Hussain, sir, I am very thankful that you have given me the opportunity to be with you and speak here. So, now we all know that many sacrifices were there behind the independence. Now we are all facing a great, danger because of this COVID. And everywhere the COVID, everybody is suffering and they are going away from this world. So what should we do? So say that wear the mask and maintain the distance and don't go in the crowd. Now, another thing is also there that about the oxygen. Oxygen is abundant in the world. So use that oxygen and so you do exercises. That is called pranayam. Pranayam is called that simple thing that you take breath inside and hold it for some time.
Now she is holding the breath. That's why that you could not hear any voice.
Hello.
Yes, please.
How much time I have taken?
Yes, very good.
10, 10, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. So everybody in your house do this pranayam. It takes only 1 minute. And in every meeting, government or anywhere, anybody do pranayam first and then talk about many things about cylinders, about barrels of oxygens, about hospitals, all these things. But do this, it is in your reach. Pranayam. I think all of you will do and follow my suggestion. Okay,
Thank you very much. We are giving that a good hint for this pranayam and how to keep the health in good condition. Yes, now it is a turn to the Nagushnam Chidda. Now you can express your view.
Sir, is it audible to you?
75th Independence Day. That is our
Yes,
topic.
yes. Yeah, yes, audible.
Yes,
My-
it's
my
audible.
voice
And you
audible?
can on
Okay.
your camera also. You can on your camera also if you want it so that I could show
Thank
you. If
Thank
not,
you.
at least
Now
you
I'm
can run the show with the
okay.
microphone.
So,
Please.
respected
75th Independence Day. That is the topic.
Madam and the other dignitaries and also the aspirants of LASET. It gives me an immense pleasure to speak a few words on the eve of this occasion. That is 75th Independence Day celebrations. Here, for our independence, in what way the politicians like that of Gandhi ji, Nehru ji, Patel Saab, and that is another Maulana Saab, and Netaji, Ambedkar, and Shastri ji, and all these things, all these politicians have sacrificed their lives for bringing the independence to India. So at that time, there is no such that is so the that is for me only. I have to gain something like that, they could not think like that. But now, at present, the politics are changing. The persons who are entering into the politics only for minting the money. They are not sacrificing their lives. They are enjoying something. So for enjoyment only. They are not admitting their children into the medicine or that is the BTech or whatever. Only like that of succession, they are admitted into the politics. So they don't know. That is, they have forgotten the that is efforts which are made by the freedom fighters at the time. Now the thing is that richer has become very rich and poorer have become very poor. So here the that is the gap between the poor and the richer masses are high. Gap is very more. So here, how to fill up the gap? That is important. For that, the government should have to take the steps. But the who are in the government, only the crorepathies are occupying the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and assemblies. So they are making the law for themselves only. So not for the protection of the poor and depressed masses of our society. So here, if the thing which is to be going on like that, if this situation which would be going on like that, then what is the position of the poor, depressed, and downtrodden masses of our society who are suffering from starvation, hunger, poverty, and destitution? So here, this will be increased in the minds of the poor people, and one day that will come that like that of in the country that is Ukraine MP who is illegal, who had made the illegal gratifications, and also various scams are there. The public have attacked on the road that he was put in the dustbin. So that video is also sent to our sir, Professor Muhammad Hussain sir. So with this, I am concluding.
Appreciate the time
Thank you
factor
very
that
much,
you
sir. Thank
followed.
you very much for giving me opportunity.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And we are very much blessed with your say, and we are
Thank
very much happy for that regard, sir.
Thank you.
Professor Nagbushnam, Professor of Law
Thank you, sir.
in the Dava University, Ethiopia. Yes. Now I will request the
Thank you.
participant, another any one participant, at least they can say the few words regarding the 75th Independence Day, regarding the Independence Day is concerned. Yes. If not, I am ready here. Yes. Shall I proceed, or you want to say something?
Sir, will sir.
Yes.
Sir, good evening. Respected
Good evening.
principal, sir, my dear friends and aspirants of law, sir. My name is M. Ajay Kumar. I am from 6th semester of Manera College of Law. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today we have gathered here to celebrate 75th Independence Day. This is really a great national event. As we all know, that Independence Day is an auspicious occasion for us, for all of us. It's the day when we got freedom from the British rulers after many years of hard struggle by the great freedom fighters of India. We celebrate Independence Day every year on August 15 to remember the first day of freedom of India, as well as remembering the sacrifices of the great leaders who have sacrificed their lives and getting freedom for India. And I also, at last, I request you people to pray for the people who are living in Afghanistan to attain love and peace in between them. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity.
Yes, thank you very much, Ajay. He's a student of the college, Khammam. Then, if any other person, Durga Prasad, of course, you say the hello. Then, Syed Jamalur Rahman, and you say the hello. Umesh, would you like to speak a few words regarding that today Independence Day? If not, my turn will start. Umesh, unmute and say.
Yes, sir.
Say yes.
But what I
Speak.
want to say about only independence,
Yes. Own
Mainly, I
independence. Yes.
own independent means nothing is there, no, sir.
Okay, no, okay. And then I will take my turn, and because I can say the more things as which you did not say. Did you see my screen, please? Did you see my screen, please? Say, please give me the answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ah, yes. Yes, this is our Independence Day, the 2021. This year theme is Nation First, Always First. That is the theme. This year the theme of the Independence Day is Nation First, Always First, to honor the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters and the glorious path laid down for generations by them. So let us see the countries. What are the countries liberated today? Yes, countries in addition to India, which mark a national day on August 15th, are Bahrain, North Korea, South Korea, Liechtenstein, and British colonies. They are released and declared its independence on August 15th. Of course, because of the India is divided into two countries, that is the reason that I did not mention the Pakistan over here. So 1971, more than 2 decades after the India attained its own freedom. So now the question comes over there, because of this COVID, which are made, everything will be there less. And this is the first time in the Olympics we saw the Tokyo Olympics in virtually. So physically it is not, but thank God we got certain 1 gold. How many bronze? 4 bronze. How many silver? No one is giving the answer because I already told you that.
Only 2.
Yes, total
7.
7. Yes. So as you know, that is the 75th Independence Day, and today we are going to celebrate it. It's the sacrifice of the many people who are there, and the Independence Day celebration will be bit different because of the COVID-19 pandemic. As I told you, in the Red Fort, the Prime Minister will hoist the flag. When it comes to the Republic Day, it is the President which is unfurl the flag, not hoist the flag, unfurl. UNFURL, unfurl the flag at the Rajpath on 26th January. So now the Independence Days, let's take the pledge to protect the peace and unity of our great nation. Happy Independence Day. Our freedom fighters endured the countless suffering to give the Indians their freedom. It is a day to remember and honor them. Happy Independence Day. These are the wishes. My love for my nation is boundless. My love for my people is endless. And all I desire for my country is happiness. Let me be the first person to wish you a special happy Independence Day. And may you enjoy this freedom of speech, freedom of thought, and freedom of choice of the rest of your life. Happy Independence Day to you. So some of the quotation that I would like to make it out, and I could see, can anybody will at least read what are the quotation is there? Yes.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening. Please read what is the quotation is there.
Sir, freedom is not worth having if it does not cannot freedom to
Freedom to err.
err,
So,
err, sir. Mahatma Gandhi.
Yes, this is said by the Mahatma Gandhi. I quote, freedom is not worth having it, does not or cannot freedom to err. So if the erring would be there, and again that you will say that you got the freedom to do a particular thing, then the Gandhi has said. So it may be the useful for the MCQ, multiple choice question. Then another quotation says, yes, anybody can read this quotation. Is it visible? Participants, is
Sir,
it visible?
one individual may die for an idea, but that idea will, after his death, incarnate itself in 1,000 lives. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
So it is, he said, one individual may die for an idea, but that idea will, after his death, incarnate itself in 1,000 lives, because 1,000 will born with the same ideas. And that is said the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and his sacrifices made it to get the India freedom. And the same thing which I put it in a different way, in the different style, and that the same, one individual may be die for an idea, but that idea will, after his death, incarnate itself in 1,000 life. Incarnation, you know, avataram ponadam, incarnation antaru. Yes. Forget not that the grossest crime is to compromise with the injustice. And you're wrong. remember the eternal law. You must give if you want to get. Again, that's it. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose said, because his contribution is more for the Indian liberation, but only the school of thought will be different from Mahatma Gandhi and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Because Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose says, we cannot solve the problem with the discussion. Of course, this is another saying would be also there. But anyway, the school of thought is there. At the end, we are liberated. Then another personality is there and who gave their last of boots to the people. Yes, can anybody will read?
Sir.
Not the same person.
So long as you do not achieve social liberty, whatever freedom is provided by the law is of on avail to you.
No
B.R.
avail
Ambedkar.
to you. So long
No
as you
avail.
don't achieve social liberty. If the social liberty is not there to you, and whatever the freedom is provided by the law is of no avail to you, it is not given any chance. If that again the law will say that many things, but the social liberty is not given to you, nothing can be possible. Then so long as you don't achieve a social liberty, another slide with a different color that I made it, whatever the freedom is provided by the law is of no avail to you, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and he is also the hand behind it. Then the Pandit Nehru, all the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. So this is also a quotation which will be the useful to you for the MCQ in your examination in the Independence Day. Yes, next, can anyone read this one? Yes. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, only two players are there. Other people are there just dumb. I don't know what was the reason. Yes, please continue.
Sir, we have believed and we do believe now that freedom is indivisible, that peace is indivisible, that economic prosperity is indivisible.
Yes, it is said by whom? Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi said, we have believed and we do believe now that freedom is indivisible, that peace is indivisible, that economic prosperity is indivisible, means it cannot be separated, it cannot be made into minute. That is the idea of the Indira Gandhi. Of course, here also that Indira Gandhi has given the quotation, we have believed and we do believe now that freedom is indivisible, that peace is indivisible, that economic prosperity is indivisible, and it is the inspiration to get the liberation. Of course, Indira Gandhi became the prime minister later part after the liberation only, but she has contribution also there for the growth of the nation. That's why we will say the Iron Lady of India. Another name is Iron Lady of the India. And she is the first prime minister or second woman prime minister. Can you tell me who is the first prime minister?
First Prime Minister.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
I said woman.
Indira Gandhi, sir.
Indira Gandhi.
In the world, I am speaking.
In the world.
Sri Mavo Bandaranayaka,
Thank you.
Sri Lanka. Earlier we will call. Earlier we will call. If you know it, you tell me. If you don't know it, you say pasa. Ceylon. Why you are keeping quiet? I don't know. The earlier Rangoon is the capital there. That is Burma is the earlier name. What is the present name? Again, you are silent. So silent. Oh, I took the class only day before yesterday or yesterday itself. What is the new name for the Burma?
Myanmar.
Why you are keeping quiet? Yes, now let us see the another very legendary person who sacrificed their life for the freedom of the independence. It is easy to kill individuals, but you can't kill the ideas. But great, of course, but great empires crumbled while the ideas survived. Bhagat Singh that he said. And because we got the ready-made food, that's why we don't know the food value. Suppose if you get the food by plowing, by sowing, by harvest, by irrigation, using the pesticide, then harvesting, later on threshing, then again you may go to the field, go to the taking the paddy to the machine, then in the rolling in the machine, making the rice, then we can cook it, you know the value of it. because we got the ready-made food independence. That's why that we don't know value of it. And our message should have reached to the other generation. That is the reason that we will commemorate to see the people sacrifices would be there. And I quoted only few of them. There are many are there behind the screen, but time is not sufficient to be there. And few only I quoted here. It is easy to kill individuals, but you cannot kill the ideas. Great empires crumbled while the ideas survived. Even empires will go over there, but the idea will not be there because the idea is a abstract one. We cannot indivisible. Yes. What is that? Can anybody will unmute and read Chandrasekhar Azad? Yes.
If at your blood does not raise, then it is water that flows in your veins. For what is the flesh of youth if it is not of service to the mother's land? Chandrasekhar Azad.
See, that is a great quotation that he made. If not, your blood does not raise. Suppose if somebody says something, your blood should be raised over there and become hot, then it's if it is not like that, then it is water that flows in your veins and which carries the blood, veins. And for that is the flesh of youth. It is not the service to the motherland. When your motherland service now is not there when you are youth, then your youth is waste. That is the thing it said. Then the freedom is the way of God intended us. It is something we are born with, the something that no one can take away from you. Let's just celebrate freedom. Happy Independence Day. So today, let us sometime value our nation and never forget the sacrifices made by the people, those on the screen and off the screen also. Because I cited very few examples of the today's Independence Day, the people with their slogans, I made it over there. Let our spirit fly high with the Indian flag today. Happy Independence Day. And these are the quotations. I will make it out. I am proud to be an Indian and wish all the Indians happy Independence Day. Then again, before saying the Jai Hind, there is one Indira Gandhi quotation that I could read it. That is also impressed me very much. That is that say, we cannot shake the hand with the clenched fist. With the clenched fist, we cannot shake the hand. If you want to shake the hand, let our fist means let our hand will be free. So when you are free enough only that you can do the things. When you are keeping the more restrictions to be there, naturally that you are crumbled over there. Of course, the restrictions are very much important for the growth of a person. Yes, if you don't, because if you want a growth should be there should be restrictions should be there. Everything should not supposed to eat, but there are certain restrictions. These restrictions will come to the ages also. So why I am particularly concentrating, I would like to hear the views of the people regarding the today's Independence Day, that is the 70s. So where there are many things, sacrifices made by the people, and many went to the jail. And in a Burma jail also, I think it is a Tilak, if I not be mistaken, Burma, because that is the Kalapani. At the time they went for the jail and he put over there because when I was referring to the one of the WhatsApp message would be there. Of course, I could not able to play the WhatsApp message over here, but you could only see, but you could not hear the voice. I don't know what was the reason would be there because my voice will be recorded over there, but what I am playing over there, you could not see it. That is another hitch. You will find it. Otherwise, I would have to show some many other sacrifices made by the people who would be there. Then one thing that I would like to show: life loses half. Read anyone? Yes. Is it visible to you? Oh, it is not visible to you.
No, sir.
Yeah, it is not visible to you because I have to go for the share. Then I have to change it. That is the reason that content is not. Now it can be visible to you now. Yes, it can be visible to you. Yes, can you read? Anyone?
Life losses half its interest if there is no struggle, if there are no risks to be taken. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, born 23rd January 1897, Cuttack.
Yes. Life loses half its interest if there is no struggle, if there are no risk to be taken. But he says life is meaningless when there is no troubles, when there is no risk. So that was the intention of him, and that is the reason that he said life is having such a thing. And I could not see the share of these WhatsApp group, because there are many other things that I would like to show you regarding Independence Day. And of course, this already I have shown you to share it. Then now the time is also going to up, and only 2 or 3 minutes would be there. And this would already shared you, and which is read over by you. Yes, it is. But I will only, because sounds are not there. Yeah. Today, I don't know where you have gone and celebrated the, where you have gone and celebrated the flag hoisting. Please, can anybody tell me? Of course, don't tell a lie. Sir, we did not go anywhere. Where did you celebrate today's flag hoisting ceremony? Anyone?
Nowhere, sir.
See, every year I come to the India in the August generally, and I go to the University College of Law. If I stay in the Hanamakanda, and I went over there, then I celebrated with the principal, that is Dr. Nimma Sudarshan sir, and he is the Nimma Sudarshan sir, and whose cursor is shown over here. And here it is me, and we stood here, and we celebrated by going to the University College of Law, that is Hanamakanda. And that is the one thing. And because here the sound you could not see it, because if I could play also, you could not see the sound. That is the reason. Otherwise, it is a very nice, but you can enjoy at least this thing by looking at it. By the time you will be up. Oh, it is not playing. I don't know whether you are hearing or not.
Yes, sir. Hearing, sir.
You are hearing?
Yes, sir.
Stand up, stand up.
Yes, sir.
दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय जय
Jaya, 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 He.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Yes, but anyway, that finally that I picked it up, then I played over there. But my co-host also has sent me the record. But I would like to see whether I can play that thing or not. But before I could meet, then another thing that I would like to play that you can. No, this thing.
Sir, it is not visible, sir.
Is it?
Not visible, sir. Hearing also.
Is it? I mean, it is
Sir.
not audible, sir.
Yes.
It is, although it is visible, but it's not audible.